Man, I gotta get you on film. You know what you're talking about.
Yes, we've got to get this this cognac truffle. Oh my goodness!
Champagne.
I really,
Making the chocolates up here.
yeah.
Yes.
Chocolate hearts. Well, we would take the mold, fill it with chocolate, and then flip it upside down,
Okay.
leaving only a very thin shell. But before they put the chocolate in, our artist will take colored cocoa butter and a paintbrush, paint the mold, put in the warm liquid chocolate,
Wow.
and when it comes out of the mold, the color stays
Beautiful.
on.
Oh my God.
Oh my goodness, that's really impressive.
Wow.
Now,
I really,
who's going to eat this? Or are you going to try to share?
we're sharing.
Oh.
All right,
We
then I'm
have
going
to
to
share.
recommend you bite it this way.
Okay.
Who's biting first?
You
You
go
have
first.
the
I
tea.
got chocolate in my mouth.
You have the teeth. You have the teeth. You
I
have
got the
the
chocolate in my
$1
mouth.
billion teeth.
Okay, I'll go
You
for
go
it.
first, and then I'll go second.
Mmm.
All right.
Look at that.
Thank you.
Oh my.
Now,
Mamma mia.
These other liqueurs, they're creamy.
Mm.
That's nice.
Isn't that lovely?
Yes.
This is
We gotta
lovely.
come back and get that one.
We have to. How much is this?
Well, our beef is you can buy individually or in the boxes. They're $3 a piece. Or when you buy a box, the price goes down a little bit. You can get 12, 24, 40.
Yeah, we gotta come back and get a box.
Cognac, they have a 5-piece, but I think it works out too.
Oh, I was over there when we first came in here. Look.
Yeah. But if you buy them individual, we just put them in a bag.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. But if you
I was
want-
If
over
you
here.
wanna, right, if you wanna gift somebody.
I was over this section.
Oh,
Your
man.
pan
Isn't that beautiful?
All right, so
Okay.
look.
But that's just
I
beautiful.
have to.
Oh man, that's the stocking stuffer to the 25th power. Wow. Yes, indeed.
Well, this will be stuffed in my stocking because. All right,
Yes.
so we're done, right?
Yep,
Is it for today?
that's it.
Okay.
Thank you, thank you.
Thank you. So we pay over there.
Can we pay here? Or?
great.
Oh yeah, he's all. This gentleman can do it all. Oh, Chris. All right, Chris.
Chris,
Yes,
thank you so
indeed.
much.
I'm Charles.
Nice to meet you, Charles.
Charles, yeah, I got a little YouTube channel.
Robin, nice to meet you as well.
Thank you.
Yes, indeed.
We'll be
Yes,
over here.
indeed.
We haven't been
Yes,
here.
indeed.
So- Are you paying or am I?